Hello friends, welcome to yet another video at Finance MCQ channel, a channel where we are trying to bring all the latest government job updates in finance domain every week, and I am CMA Akula Sridhar. Now let's begin and go through job updates of this week. First, a reminder friends for some important vacancies which are expiring this week. So first is from SVJN Limited, a mini Ratna company under Ministry of Power, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment was for 10 vacancies of field officer in finance and accounts category. And friends, the education qualification asked was either a chartered accountant or a cost and management accountant or an MBA finance with minimum 55% marks. Friends, the upper limit was 30 years. These are contractual vacancies where you will be getting a consolidated amount of 60,000 every month. And here, freshers are also eligible to apply. Hurry up friends, as the last date is 24th August 2021. So friends, before we move ahead, an important piece of information for those who applied for junior accountant or accounts officer at Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited and its group of companies, or applied for management trainee finance at Bharat Dynamics Limited or OPTCL, that is Odisha Power Transmission Corporation Limited, please visit our website financemcq.in, where the entire technical syllabus consisting of 60% weightage in case of Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited, 67% weightage in case of BDL, and most importantly 80% weightage in case of Odisha Power Transmission Corporation Limited is brought to you in MCQ format for practice. Friends, here explanation is also added for correct answers wherever required, and there is the provision of email support for clarification of doubts raised by candidates while practicing these contents. And friends, let me tell you, the entire content of financemcq.in is prepared by professionals such as chartered accountant and cost and management accountant, which gives the course a professional edge and in-depth coverage of the entire technical syllabus. And friends, if you log into financemcq.in, take a demo, you will realize that the entire system is designed in such a way so as to give the candidates a real exam-like environment. So do visit financemcq.in and practice for your technical syllabus well. All the best friends. Friends, next vacancy which is expiring in this week was again from SVJN Limited for the recruitment of 15 vacancies of junior field officer in finance and accounts category. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a inter CA or inter CMA or MCOM with minimum 55% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. These are contractual vacancies, and here also freshers are eligible to apply. Friends, here you will get a consolidated amount of 45,000 every month. Friends, you will have to apply online latest by 24th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. So friends, we have already presented this recruitment in a separate video. The link of the same is given in the description box below. Now let's go through important highlights of this advertisement. So friends, here the recruitment is for 5 vacancies of Officer Grade A Assistant Manager in General category. Friends, the education qualification asked is master's degree in any discipline or bachelor's degree in law or engineering, or a chartered accountant or a certified financial analyst or a company secretary or a cost and management accountant. Friends, the upper age limit here is 30 years. These are permanent vacancies and freshers are eligible to apply. And friends, here your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 28,150 to 55,600 rupees. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 16 September 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization, that is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. And here the recruitment is for Officer Grade A Assistant Manager in Finance and Accounts category. Friends, there are total 2 vacancies, and as far as education qualification is considered, you should be a graduate along with an associate chartered accountant or a fellow chartered accountant or associate cost and management accountant or a fellow cost and management accountant, associate company secretary or a fellow company secretary or a chartered financial analyst is eligible to apply here. Friends, the upper age limit here is 30 years. There are total 2 vacancies, all are permanent, and in all cases freshers are eligible to apply. Friends, here your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 28,150 to 55,600, and apart from this there will be addition of National Pension Scheme allowance, then grade allowance, special allowance, dearness allowance, local compensatory allowance and housing allowance as well. So very good opportunity for freshers to apply here. And friends, you will have to apply online latest by 16 September 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from NTPC Limited, which is India's largest power utility company, a Maharatna and under Ministry of Power, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for 20 vacancies of Assistant Officer Finance on All India transfer basis. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a chartered accountant or a cost and management accountant. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent vacancy, but here you need to have 1 year of experience to apply for this vacancy. And here your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 30,000 to 1,20,000 per month. Friends, you have to apply online latest by 2nd September 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizer Limited, a PSU under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for 13 vacancies of Officer Finance at Maharashtra. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a chartered accountant or a cost and management accountant. Friends, the upper limit is 34 years. These are permanent vacancy, but here you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 40,000 to rupees 1,40,000 every month. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 4th September 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for recruitment of 5 vacancies of Manager Finance. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or a BCom or a Bachelor of Management Study holder or a BAF, that is Bachelor of Accounting and Finance, or a BBA plus MBA or MMS or other equivalent PG degree that has to be a full-time degree with minimum 60% marks. Friends, these vacancies are reserved for category candidates, and as far as the upper age limit is considered, it is 47 years for SC/ST candidates, while it is for 45 years for other backward caste candidates. Friends, there are total 5 vacancies as I said, but these are permanent vacancies and it's a senior level vacancy where you need to have 12 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 70,000 to 2 lakh every month. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 4th September 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Indian Oil Corporation Limited for the recruitment under Trade Apprentice Accountant category. Friends, here the education qualification asked is graduation in any discipline with minimum 50% marks. Friends, the upper age limit here is 24 years. There are total 99 vacancies at Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, 54 vacancies at Karnataka, 16 vacancies at Andhra Pradesh and 12 vacancies at Telangana. Friends, here nature of employment would be on apprenticeship category and you will get a consolidated amount of 9,000 rupees as a stipend every month. Friends, here freshers are eligible to apply. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 28th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare for the recruitment of 3 accountants at New Delhi. Friends, the education qualification asked is a graduation and they have not mentioned any upper age limit for this vacancy, friends, but these are contractual vacancies and you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy and you will get a consolidated amount of 42,000 per month. Friends, you'll have to apply offline to the ministry latest by 26th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management known as MANAGE. Friends, it is an autonomous institute under Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of Assistant Cashier at Hyderabad. Friends, the education qualification asked is a bachelor's degree along with a typing speed of 30 words per minute in English. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy post, but you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. And as far as package is considered, you will get 6 lakhs per annum. Friends, you'll have to apply offline latest by 18 September 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Employees State Insurance Corporation, which is conducted by UPSC. Friends, there are total 151 vacancies of Deputy Director on All India basis. Friends, the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree while the upper age limit is 35 years. Friends, these are permanent vacancies and as far as experience is considered, you need to have 3 years of experience of admin or accounts or marketing or public relation or insurance or revenue or tax related matters in a government, public sector undertaking or an autonomous body. So friends, here nowhere they have mentioned that the experience has to be on a permanent capacity basis. So even contractual employees are also eligible to apply. So that's why friends, I say even contractual vacancies in a government organizations are also important. Friends, as far as package is considered, you will get a handsome package of 11 lakhs per annum. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 2nd September 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from National Institute of Technology, Warangal. Friends, here the recruitment is for 6 vacancies of Assistant Registrar. Friends, the education qualification asked is master's degree in any discipline with 55% minimum marks along with a good academic record. Friends, the desirable education qualification asked is either a chartered accountant or cost and management accountant or qualification in the area of management, engineering or law. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. These are permanent vacancies and there is no compulsory experience requirement. However, preferable experience asked is holding analogous post or having 2 years of experience in level 8 or 3 years of experience in level 7 or 8 years of experience in level 6 of the 7 CPC. Friends, here you will get a package of 11 lakhs per annum. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 23rd September 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 8 vacancies of superintendent. Friends, the education qualification asked is master's degree in any discipline with minimum 50% marks. Friends, the desirable education qualification asked is again a chartered accountant, cost and management accountant, or a person having qualification in the area of management or law. Friends, here the upper limit is 30 years. These are again permanent vacancies, friends. And again, there is no compulsory experience. However, preference will be given to those candidates having experience in government organization, holding analogous post, or having 6 years of experience in level 5 or 10 years of experience in level 4 of the 7 CPC. Friends, you will get a package of 6.85 lakhs per annum, and like other IITs, here also you will be initially on contract for 2 years. Friends, you will have to apply online latest by 23rd September 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization. Here the recruitment is for 19 vacancies of junior assistant. Friends, the education qualification asked is 10 plus 2 along with typing speed of 35 words per minute. And the desirable education qualification asked is bachelor's degree in any discipline and proficiency in computer skills. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years. These are permanent vacancies. And friends, here preferable experience is the candidate holding analogous post. And as far as package is considered, here you will get 4.40 lakhs per annum and you will be initially on a contract for 2 years. Friends, you will have to apply online latest by 23rd September 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from State Bank of India for the recruitment of 4 vacancies of Assistant Manager, Marketing and Communication. Friends, the education qualification asked is full-time MBA in Marketing or PGDM Marketing or its equivalent with minimum 60% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent vacancies and you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. And here your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 36,000 to 63,840. And friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 2nd September 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Assam Agricultural University for the recruitment of 4 vacancies of accounts manager. Friends, the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree in commerce or accountancy or finance and accounts. Friends, they have not mentioned any upper limit in the advertisement, but these are contractual vacancies and you need to have 5 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. And friends, your package would be ranging between 4.20 lakhs to 6.18 lakhs per annum depending upon your experience and qualifications. Friends, to apply for this vacancy, you'll have to attend a walk-in interview on virtual mode on 25th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapeeth, a premier agricultural university in Maharashtra. Friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of admin staff / accountant. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a BCom or a BA in economics. Friends, here again they have not mentioned any upper age limit, but this is a contractual vacancy and you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy and you'll get a consultant amount of 14,000 every month. Friends, you'll have to apply offline to the Krishi Vidyapeeth latest by 30th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from National Rice Research Institute, which is under ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of graduate assistant at Odisha. Friends, the education qualification asked is a graduation while the upper age limit is 55 years. Friends, this is a contractual vacancy. Friends, the desirable experience asked here is experience of working in formation and promotion of FPO. Friends, here you will get a per month consulted amount of 20,000 every month. Friends, to apply here, you will have to mail to ssg.nrri@gmail.com latest by 30th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Advanced Materials and Processes Research Institute, a premier research institution under CSIR, that is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Friends, here the recruitment is for 2 vacancies of Junior Secretariat Assistant in Finance and Accounts category at Bhopal. Friends, the education qualification asked is 10 plus 2 with accountancy as a subject along with a typing speed of English of 35 words per minute or Hindi of 30 words per minute. Friends, the upper limit is 28 years. These are permanent vacancies and freshers are eligible to apply. Friends, here you will get a package of 4 lakhs per annum and you'll have to apply online latest by 15 September 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 2 vacancies of Junior Secretariat Assistant in General category and 1 vacancy in Stores and Procurement category. Friends, the education qualification asked is 10 plus 2 along with English typing speed of 35 words per minute or Hindi typing speed of 30 words per minute. Friends, these are permanent vacancies and here your upper age limit is 28 years and even freshers are eligible to apply. Friends, your package would be 4 lakhs per annum and you have to apply online latest by 15 September 2021. So that's all for this week, friends. I hope that these videos are useful in your career enhancement, and do share these videos with your near and dear ones whom you think the video might be useful. And please like the video, do click on the bell icon so as to receive an alert whenever we are uploading a new video. So see you all next week with a new video. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.